Today I'm about to show you how to remove the blower motor on this Maxima I'm about to junk. I might as well do a video on that. And yeah, it should be easy, quick and easy. You gotta take off the glove box, all that stuff. 3 screws on the blower motor, and there's a resistor. We're gonna talk about that. Let's start this shit. Let's get it. All you will need is a screwdriver. So you could use manually and you could use electric. You know, I like using this. Get the job done faster. First things first, let's remove this glove box, man. It's in the way. So 4 bolts. I think I did a video on this. It's 4 bolts up here. Okay, 4 up there. Take those off. And it's 2 on the bottom. 2 or 3. I think it's 2. Yes. I'll show you real quick. You remove this trim right here. Get out the way. It's a junk car, so I don't care about it. So if it's your car, be careful. Let me take this off. Alright, pull that shit off. This metal thing should be on there. Now take this off. Oh yeah, there's a screw. There's a little screw over here. Forgot about that one. It's a little. You see that screw thing right there? Oh shit, spider web. Holy shit. Sheesh. Spider somewhere here. Anyways, it's right there. So you just, you know, twist it off. It should come out easy. And now it comes out, you see? Don't force it out like I just did. Now, you see a screw right here. Right under there. That one, and there's another one right under there. So let's take those off, remove the glove box. Let's get it, man. I'm gonna start at the bottom. Take this. Take that one off right here. Okay. Put this down. Okay. Okay. Okay, it should drop. Sheesh. I'll put all the screws back there. I mean back in here when you're putting it back. So I'm not putting this thing back because I don't need it. I might sell it. So I'll put the screws in there. And yeah, take this off. Oh, this should drop like that. And this should, watch for these right here. Unplug them before you know, don't pull on it. You might break something, rip something. Yeah, take that off. Twist that off and just take this off right here, like this. Squeeze over here. Squeeze like that. Should come out like that. Just like that. This spider fucked up this bug right here. Damn, this spider violated. I don't even know where it is, but alright. Let's take that out of here. Sheesh. Whatever that was. Okay, now, hopefully the spider is not in here. Anyways. There's 3 bolts on here. 1. There's 1 down here. 2. And 1 in there. Right there. That's 3. Let's unplug it first. Right there. Like that. You could take this off right here. Pull this down. Leave that like that. Now let's remove the screws. 1. I'll take the back one off first because it's gonna drop. So let's do in the back. Okay. Here. Right here. And this one. Okay. Oh wow, it didn't drop. Anyways, slowly take it off like that. Alright. Just like that. And there you go. To know if it's bad, you will spin this. If you hear like a noise, if you hear a noise, that's how you know it's bad. Or when you turn on your blower and you hear a noise coming from the glove box, it's this. So test that. Make sure it's good. Mine's good, so. Now, the resistor. This will control it. This controls the blower motor. So if you turn up the blower and it don't work on 1, 2, or 3 and it works on 4, this is your problem right here. Change this. Just 2 bolts and a plug. Okay. Now, actually, let's take it off. Let's take this shit off. Okay. Get that off. Move the 2 bolts. Okay. Sheesh. This shit is fucked up. Holy shit. And that is it. To put it back, you know, reverse. Put this back on. Put this back on. Align it. Align. Put your 3 bolts. Plug this back. Put your glove. I mean, if you took this off, put this back. 2 bolts, all that. And don't forget to put these on it. Put the glove box back and put your what is that? 6 bolts. Put your 6 bolts back. 4 on the top, 2 on the bottom. 2 at the bottom. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna put mine back because there's no point. It's a part out, so I'm gonna just leave it off. Also, to make sure the blower motor works, I would plug it first. Plug it first. And turn on the blower on 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure all them work. All right. Make sure this is in before you test it. So put that in, test it, and that should be all. All right, and that was it. So if you have any questions, comment below. Hit me on Instagram, and if I helped you out, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Got more coming later.